Hi, I'm Chef Rob with the Great American Grill, and I'm here with Cooking with Cruisers. What we're doing is we're shopping for amazing items. We're gonna take it back to my restaurant. We're gonna cook something awesome. So come with me, we're just gonna walk over here and just start picking out items. You know what? A good dessert starts off with a good chocolate. This is milk chocolate with creamy caramel. This is good, this is awesome. We're gonna grab a few of these. Yes. Fresh. Oh yes, this will be the base for our bread pudding. This mixed with the fresh bananas, oh yeah. When we get back to the restaurant, this is gonna be amazing. We're missing one item. You know what will tie all this thing together is a good whipped cream. And nothing makes a good whipped cream like strawberry milk. Has the consistency we want. Excellent here. Yep, this is what we're looking for. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all these items, we're gonna go back to the restaurant, and we're gonna cook it up. So the very first step we go through is we take our banana muffin. You gotta open it every so gently because we wanna keep the structure and integrity. You know, they take a lot of pride in this product, so gotta keep it nice. So you take out the muffin. You can just smell the fresh bananas and the nuts just forming this perfect caramelization around the crust. Ever so slightly, take off the muffin top. Separate the flavors. You know, what we're doing is cutting about inch-thick pieces across to make perfect little squares. Now, the next step is we grab our lemon cream Danish. So what we're gonna do here is, again, cube it up with the ganache in the middle. Nice and easy. No need for a cutting board because it comes with the travel cutting board. The travel cutting board, all in one spot. Now here comes the culinary talent. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna crack 2 eggs. Then when the shell gets in, it just adds more texture. Next step, we grab our Nestle Quake. First you smell it. So what we're gonna do is add 3 capfuls. 1. Then we get our fancy tongs. We're just gently going to love and caress the egg, the milk, the Danishes. And what you're looking for is just texture. So this right here is pure vegetable oil. We're gonna use that much. Then we're done. So now, very safely, we add this guy. All right, so we got the bread pudding in the oven. Next step is we're making the sauce. So what we're gonna do is we take our delicious local farm to fork beautiful bananas. So what we're gonna do next is we gently peel the banana. And then we just gently slice it. Place it into the pan. So now we have our 2 bananas sliced. We grab our carbonated lime and we're gonna add 6 capfuls of this, 6 capfuls. So what this is caramel. So we're gonna cut it very gently. So you're gonna add the chunks of chocolate and caramel, nougat to the bananas and our bubbly carbonated soda up. And we're gonna go to the kitchen and put this on medium heat. And we're just basically gonna saute this and marry all the flavors together. Next step, we start with our whipped cream. First step in a whipped cream is you grab an egg. Easiest way to crack an egg is you crack the egg. So but this time we're separating the white from the yolk. Next step, we have our Nesquik. We're gonna add about 10 capfuls full. So you're just gonna have to believe me for time's sake that this is 10 capsules. We add our egg white. So shake it up. But the trick is, once it's done shaking up and you feel like you're holding a bomb, you stick it in the freezer.
We're gonna get it done real quick with the montage. Yeah. Here we go again with the montage.
And now, fine dining at Cruisers.
We'll set this down here, sir. So what we have here is a fresh banana Foster's bread pudding with the fresh strawberry whipped cream. So please enjoy.
Fine dining at Cruisers.
So, how was it? Well, that's awesome. Well, I'm Robert. This is Cooking with Cruisers. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.